Excusez, hast du mir da Vic zum Liamat erklären?
What? Sorry, my Swedish is really not very good.
Scheiß, verdammte Ausländer, kennst die Liamat, oder?
Did you say Liam what? Are you looking for a dry cleaner? I am sorry, but we have an au pair from London who does our laundry.
Naturally. Beschen val du du, gop du mi scheiß expat. Kennst die Unterschieds zwischen den Arm und den Arsch, Kill?
Look, dude, I am really sorry but I have not had to speak Swazi since I retired from the mercenaries back in '93. Do you speak Chinese?
Chinesisch? Sternaflefi, wo hast du Chinesisch gelernt? Spinch, eigentlich?
Sorry. Do you speak Chinese or not? I learned to speak Chinese in Nam. I was there from 68 to 70. The good old days, dude, back when rules were rules.
Halsch mir zum Nara, du? I bin nude so blue, geht's kai rules in a Milan, ihr sind immer genos gleich, ku mit für euch Arbeit und Stutz, und immer me sind sie nur am Bruella. Mir hand die Nase voll mit oli oi.
Shit, dude, I really have no fucking clue what you're asking me, and I don't know where the laundromat is, but I do know a little shack about 5 minutes away on some river or another that sells some kind of beer in a blue can, tastes just like Budweiser but doesn't have quite as much flavor. Tell you what, I'll buy you a beer and maybe we can find somebody who speaks Dutch to translate for us?
Oh, hell yeah, a beer would be totally fucking awesome, man, thanks. You Americans are always so nice, we love having tourists around here.